Hey everybody, in case you missed the video meeting this morning, I wanted to pop on here and just do a quick lesson on cross sections for geometry part 2. Guys, this is one of the easier topics that you will do, but sometimes it looks confusing when you look at the questions. So I'm going to model this for you with a couple easy steps, all right? So first and foremost, I've got some Play-Doh here, and what I want you guys to picture is as if you made that three-dimensional shape and you took a sharp edge and then you sliced it. What shape would you get when you sliced it? All right, so we're going to take a look at this right here. Let's look at, I think I want to look at letter A here, okay? So I have for you to look at this right here. This is a cylinder, okay? And when you're looking at the cylinder, hold on one second. I'm going to try to move something here. Didn't do any good. When you're looking at the cylinder, I want you guys to slice this. The way that this right here, you see this rectangle? That's what they want you to pretend like is the slicer, okay? So if you take your cylinder, which I've made right here out of clay, well, it's Play-Doh. And anytime you get stuck, you could do that too. So I'm going to take this slicer and I'm going to slice it down the middle, okay? And I'm going to wonder what shape am I going to get when I've sliced these in two? And you're looking at it as if it's a bird's eye view, okay? So look at it from here and here's point of view. So what shape did I just make by slicing that cylinder? So I had a cylinder and then this is what happened. So that's why that is going to be a rectangle. Make sense? Okay. Now if I put my cylinder back together, and I did it the other way, let's make a prediction on what we think it would do. So last time we went down, okay, but this time we're going to go down the middle. So slice this right down the middle. And I'm going to take my cylinder apart, and now I have two circles. Okay, so again, cross sections is literally just taking, like in these examples here, it's just taking like some kind of sheet, right, rectangle, and slicing it down through that. So for instance, this is the rectangle that they're showing you, and you're slicing it down. What shapes would come up from that? So you have to kind of visualize. Okay, let's look at a couple more. Going to the cone shape right here. So if I made a cone, all right, I'm gonna try to do this fast, but I don't know if it'll be quality, my molding skills. Okay, kind of did an okay job. Okay, here's my cone. So if I took that rectangular piece that's right here, see that rectangular piece, that's your slicer. So pretend like it's like a piece of mail slicing this. I'm gonna slice off the top of it. So we gotta predict what shape will come out of that. So when I sliced it, the shape that came out from it was a circle. So that answer right there would be a circle. All right, taking a look at a triangular prism. It's kind of important that you know what shape the bottom is, okay? So I'm gonna try to make this triangular prism here. I don't know, might be a little bit difficult, but anytime you're not sure about something, you can see what I'm just kind of trying to model this here. Never claimed to be an artist, but just wanted to show you guys how it could be easily done, easily modeled. Anytime you get stuck, you can just get some of this clay or Play-Doh or anything out that you could model it. I think you can even make Play-Doh. Okay, and so when I slice it, I guess I didn't make that very good. This is supposed to be a pyramid. Okay, sorry, it needs to be 1 point. I'm sorry. So 1 point, that's the difference between a prism and a pyramid, is that pyramids have 1 point and okay, so now when I go to slice this, what shape has been created there? Sorry, okay. Triangle, right? It doesn't look like the best triangle, but it is. Okay, so for that one, we can say that that one's a triangle. All right, this one right here is a triangular prism. So when you make the prism, and remember I said the difference is that there's 3 points versus 1 point. So I can kind of go into that one easily. Ah. Well, we shall see. There we go. Triangular prism here. When you do that, when I slice this off here, you will see that I got a rectangle. Okay. Anyways, that one would be a rectangle. If you need any help, just let me know. But you know, I think we talked about the cylinder one here before. You make that slice, right? And it's going to be a circle. So you're just acting like you're slicing it, and what, from a bird's eye view, what is it that you will find? All right. Thanks, everyone. Good luck.